Okay. You nervous?
A little bit, yeah.
I think I got it. Let's try. Let's do our best. This is a first. What, you want to see yourself?
Yeah.
Can you tell me what you're doing?
I'm super nervous, man.
What are you...
Look, exactly 2 cups. Wow. Okay, 2. I'm freaking out, bro.
So your solution to this is to drink a shot of Patron?
Yes, it is. Sweating over here. You're gonna join me, right?
I don't know. I don't wanna.
These lemons look weird. Maybe I should get another one.
Just take the shot already.
Are you gonna take it with me at the same time?
Let's go.
Do you care for the vein in the middle or not?
What vein? Just do it.
Do you want some salt?
No, I just... Okay, 1, 2, 3. To Karen Baraguz's
New channel?
new YouTube channel.
Oh, there you go.
There you go. Hey, okay. Whew. You ready?
I'm fine.
What's with the faces?
What faces?
What faces?
I'm ready.
You ready?
What's shaking, babies? Well, good afternoon or good morning or good evening. Papi chulo, mami chula, buenas tardes, buenas noches, buenas mañanas. I'm so nervous. Okay, so welcome to my channel. My name is Karen Baraguz and I am a content creator. I don't know if you guys may have seen some of my videos. If you have not, go check out the Baraguz family on TikTok, where my husband and I create funny content that are kind of, sort of relatable, but they're pretty funny. So, my goal for this channel is to be a resource for the public, and I will be sharing my knowledge and passion for the healthcare. Yeah, well, actually, you know what? For the healthcare too, but for healthy living habits. By sharing my knowledge in healthy living habits, eating habits, and and passion for healthy lifestyle habits. In this channel, you will be finding a lot of things like cooking, healthy cooking or unhealthy cooking. I cook everything: Lebanese, Dominican, Mexican. What else? Everything. Everything, really. You'll have videos about my healthy living habits, my workout routines, and much, much more. So if that's something that you guys think you might be interested in, subscribe. I don't know where the subscription thing is. Just click it, because like that, you know, I gain subscribers and you never miss one of my videos. And to be quite honest, I just want to build a community. I just want to build a community where we can all uplift each other and help us become a better version of ourselves, including me. So what I will do is I will share my knowledge of everything that I've learned so far, and whoever it may help, it may help. I do have sisters, and a lot of them. I am sure that this will help them. It will serve as a guide. Anybody here that has anything to add to any of my videos, really, are more than welcome to. That way other viewers can come and read and interact with each other and actually build this beautiful community of strong, independent women and strong men. We like the men, but definitely we want to build strong, independent women that are confident, and I am super excited to share everything I've learned through my mistakes, my sufferings, my good, my bad, the ups, the downs. How did I get to up or down, or how did I stumble? Like it's just gonna be a lot. And I really hope that you guys enjoy this video and what's coming, because this is gonna be the most transparent version of Karen. You might see tears and laughters in between, and I'm just gonna be as honest as possible. And I really hope that you guys want to be a part of that. So if you really do, like I said, there's a thing here that you click and you stay within us, and I would really appreciate it. We will be talking about my brand, of course, Baraguz Slim Tea, which is a health brand. I wanted to do this, one, because it's a more personal area to express myself. When I do TikTok videos, it's always like super serious and funny, but this would be a more natural way of me communicating to you guys and expressing my emotions without being judged. This is a judge-free zone. I don't want to be judged. I'm pretty sure that it comes with it all, but that's why I decided to do this. We're all human and we all go through things, so this is our safe spot. It's going to be our safe place to ask questions, whatever it is. It could be things as simple as beauty and makeup, or beauty and fashion, or more important things like how do you build a business, how do you create a brand, marketing, everything that involves a business and the journey, and whether it's school, your journey through school and how you can do certain things, or if you just want to live a healthy lifestyle. I mean, there's going to be a lot of talking about that here. I'm going to be trying to guide you guys to eating healthy. I am a biopharmaceutical major, which is a bachelor's of science of biology with a concentration of biopharmaceutical. I live by a really healthy lifestyle, and I have a lot of things that I can share, and it has helped a lot of people. So I am really excited to share more knowledge through a longer version. I know it's a lot, but my heart is pumping. I love you guys so much, and without you, I'm growing every day, and without you, none of this I would have never done any of this, to be honest. But I think we got this. I wanted to start like this and letting you guys know what the whole channel is about. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Every week I will be posting videos here, and welcome. I'm very happy because I find that when I was growing up and I was much younger, I always wanted a guide of like what to do or how to do things, and nobody really gave me that guide. I live in Miami, Florida, and the competition here is insane. So nobody really shows their secrets or tell their secrets, really, because for them it's an advantage to know more and look better or feel better or whatever the trend may be. Because they don't want to share that, it gives them the power of being or feeling like they're above everyone else. Here we're just gonna help everybody, help each other, and we're gonna do this together, and that's it. I love you guys. Bye. Oh,
You did good.
you think so? Yeah.